Today we will learn Chinese characters.
滴
Please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
滴的一滴滴低头低头，他低头看书，他低头看书。低价低价，很多商品都以低价出售。很多商品都以低价出售。低处，低处，水往低处流，水往低处流。
Now let's see how to write this character. This character we are learning today means being in a lower position, not high, the opposite of high. It also means in voice or weak in degree. Chinese people value not being showy, not arrogant, not arguing with others, being low-key, modest, and polite. So it also represents modesty, low profile, calmness, concession, and peace. This stroke is crucial. It must be written in one go. Time flies. See you next class.